Hi, in this video I will be demonstrating the system I have developed for the task 5.3D of SIT210 Embedded Systems Development. So for this task I have developed this GUI with the help of Tkinter framework. In this GUI the text box is taking entry as a name, and the letters of the name are then blinked on the LED in accordance with the Morse code. So I have already written my name in the text box. When I click on this blink button, the LED will start blinking in my name. So the LED is blinking in Morse code. I have also added an exit button. Whenever this button is clicked, the GUI pop-up will terminate. Thank you.